I'm going to walk you through how to make my cute heart-shaped pizza that is also delicious. This is a great Valentine's Day dinner idea for a family or Valentine's appetizer. So there are just a handful of ingredients. You could always use store-bought pizza sauce, but it's so simple to make your own with just a few ingredients. You need to stretch the dough. 1 pound of dough is going to give you 2 heart-shaped pizzas for this recipe. You're gonna preheat a cast iron skillet or some baking sheets in the oven at 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and that way they'll be nice and hot and help you get a really crispy crust. To make the pizza shape, all you do is stretch out your pizza into a circle, cut about 1/3 the way down, and then shape the tops to be those round heart shapes. You're gonna put it in that hot cast iron skillet that has some oil on it. You're going to also put some oil around the outside, the crust. It's going to help it get golden brown. Par bake the pizza dough for 3 minutes in the 500 degrees oven. And then it's time to add your toppings. So put on some sauce, some mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese, and you can make these cute heart-shaped pepperonis because it just makes this over the top for Valentine's Day. Super cute. Pop this in the oven at 500 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. And this is going to come out bubbling. The cheese got a little crazy on this one. So I just placed those pepperonis. You can clean up the cheese a little bit with a spatula to make sure you have a heart-shaped pizza at the end. But print this recipe at Sip Bite Go.